Dr. Joydev Kumar Roy, my respected Jethu, has left for Heavenly Adobe on 10th July 2020. Although Jethu is no more with us, his memories will remain evergreen forever in our family. My first impression about Jethu was truly enthralling. Way back in 1975, when I got the first gift from overseas sent by Jethu. It was a big box of Lego building blocks and it arrived directly to our home at Darjeeling from USA. I was extremely thrilled to get that gift and, in fact, I used to play with the Lego building blocks like anything throughout my childhood, from the age of 4 or 5 maybe, when I was even a teenager. Playing with Lego was the maiden step of my inclination towards likelihood and likeliness towards engineering studies in the later days. Later on, Jethu gifted me several interesting toys and games like Meccano and even a humanoid robot. Playing with those was no less than a real treasure for me, and this was my childhood dreams too. Jethu used to keep regular contact with all of us through emails and phone calls. Especially, he was very particular in sending replies over emails with lots of information about his interaction with dignitaries in USA and his work for the Indo-American Federation. Jethu visited my home in Mumbai 4 times between 1999 and 2015. He used to make it a point to stop over in Mumbai for 1 or 2 days en route his trip to Kolkata or Bangalore. He used to inquire many details about my wife Aditi and son Rick during those visits. And of course, he used to enjoy fish curries and other Bengali cuisines very much. I visited Jethu's home at Maryland, USA, and had a vivid memory of my trip. Jethu's visit to Kolkata used to be very enjoyable for all of us, with lots of fun, merrymaking, and enjoyment over food, cozy adda with family members, Bengali movies, and of course, a must of part of it, many local sightseeing trips. Jethu has made great impact to the Indian diaspora living in US by his untiring work, diligence, and overall enthusiasm. Although Jethu lived throughout his professional life in USA till his last day, till he breathed his last, he was a true Bengali by heart. May his departed soul rest in peace. Thank you. Kajal. Dr. Devanik Roy.